Hey everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel र यो भिडियो यस YouTube च्यानलको पहिलो कन्टेन्ट बेस्ड भिडियो रहनेछ र आजको हाम्रो टपिक हो CA इन नेपाल। कन्टेन्टमा लागिहाल्नुभन्दा पनि पहिला केही टर्म्सहरू छन् जुन मेरो विचारमा तपाईहरुले बुझ्नुपर्न जरुरी छ कन्टेन्ट अझै राम्ररी बुझ्नलाई। र त्यो टपिकहरू हुन् जेनरल CA भने के हो र अरु टर्म जस्तै अकाउन्टिङ र आइक्यान इन्स्टिट्युट अफ चार्टर्ड एकाउन्टेन्सी अफ नेपाल। सो हाम्रो फर्स्ट टपिक अफ डिस्कसन हो CA। CA भने यहाँ हजुरहरु धेरैलाई थाहा नै होला, बट लेट्स गो ब्रिफली टु इट। CA द फुल फर्म चार्टर्ड अकाउन्टेन्ट एन्ड इट्स लिटरल डेफिनेसन अ डेजिग्नेसन which is generally provided to the ones who are said to have specialized in the field of accounting. Specialized भन्या के त? So as per ICAN, specialized व्यक्ति, specialized person in the field of accounting are said to be the ones who have passed Cap 3 examinations, and also there are other bases like Cap 3 examinations in India or foreign and coming back to Nepal and clearing certain examinations, certain subject examinations like law, audit, finance, tax, etc. depending upon the countries. So here I use the term ICAN जुनलाई मैले आवश्यक ठान्दैछु डिस्क्राइब गर्न for better clarification. So ICAN भने के त? ICAN को फुल फर्म हो Institute of Chartered Accountancy of Nepal र literal definition a regulatory body designed to regulate accountancy profession in Nepal. Yes, it regulates the accountancy profession, CA studies, its course design, its examination, everything related to the CA profession and other accountant or accountancy professions. अनि जस्तै नेपालमा धेरै जस्तो प्रोफेसनलाई रेगुलेट गर्ने बडी गभर्नमेन्टकै अन्तर्गत हुन्छन्, तर आइक्यानले एउटा इन्डिपेन्डेन्ट बडी भनेर भनिएको छ, इन्डिपेन्डेन्ट लिगल बडी। बट just because it is independent does not mean it can go against government. It shall be under government, but shall be independent under certain limitations specified by government. That is, as we know, at the end, law is above all. And the last topic which I wanted to describe is accounting. Accounting खासै describe गर्न पर्दैन होला, but as I said, we shall go briefly. Terms describing accounting is identifying the transactions and events in a financial year, recording them, showing the profit and loss of the body, that may be entity or any proprietorship or normal business, and then again preparing the balance sheet at the year end, showing the position of the entity. So basically के हो भने एउटा वर्षभरि र एउटा तोकेको समयभित्र एउटा बडीले कति के ट्रान्जेक्सन गर्यो त्यो सब आइडेन्टिफाई गर्नु, त्यो सबलाई रेकर्ड गर्नु र त्यो सबको अनुसार सर्टेन टाइम भित्र, जेनरली नेपालमा 1 फाइनान्शियल इयर भन्छन्, श्रावण फर्स्ट अफ दिस इयर टु असाढ एन्ड अफ नेक्स्ट इयर, त्यो भित्र एउटा बडीको कतिको प्रफिट भयो त्यो अर कतिको लस भयो त्यो भन्नु, र अल्सो at the year end of financial year, what is the position of entity or of body, that is asset present in the body, liabilities the body has, use of. But it is not limited to it. Accounting also includes other thing like analysis and interpretation of all these findings, financial position, financial profession, providing consultancy, advice र ट्याक्स रिलेटेड इस्युमा सजेसन दिनु, एन्ड अल्सो अ मेजर टपिक which also shall be discussed further, that is auditing. Yes, this shall be enough to move to the content. I have decided to keep my content in a Q&A basis, to present it in a Q&A basis, or let's say a subtopic and description basis, which I find to be more effective. So first subtopic goes like this: CA course in Nepal. So in Nepal, CA course is provided by ICAN. They have designed the course which we need to study and pass the exams timely held by ICANN themselves, but they do not provide specific classes for it. That is, we do not have any attendance requirement. Likewise, we don't have any such regular college or universities like other professions, uh, especially established by ICANN. But there are various institutes in Nepal, all over Nepal, mostly in Kathmandu, Viratnagar, Pokhara, Butwal, and they help us understand the course designed by ICANN in a better way. And yes, any time for a beginner, it shall be important. It shall be more important to begin CA course by taking classes from institutes rather than going for self-study, as we are not habituated to it. We do require a guidance from teacher. So this shall be the specific description of CA course. Now, duration and examination patterns, subjects. So the duration of CA course in Nepal is generally approximate 4.5 years, which are divided as Cap 1 foundation level taking 6 months, Cap 2 intermediate level taking 9 months, and Cap 3 final level taking 3 years. So 3 years because we need to do articleship in the period of 3 years and then give exam after 3 years. In between, providing hall test, which is required for giving the final exams in CA final level as well as in intermediate level. And yes, the examination pattern. So for Cap 1 there shall be 3 days of examination, for Cap 2 there shall be 7 days of examination, and for Cap 3 there shall be 8 days of examinations at the end of the respective period as described before. And the subject shall be described in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that. And the next subtopic is CA toughness. Is it as tough as we have known it to be, or is it a bluff, and whether the toughness vary as per the country? So talking about its overall toughness, from my point of view, the toughness is because of the quantity of content it provides and not actually because of the content it provides. By saying this, I mean that the content included are somehow easy to understand because we can relate it to our daily life, we can experience it in our daily life, and we do have good teachers to explain it. But the quantity is something which we have to do on our own, memorize all of them, understand all of them, and present it in a day in the exam hall. So that makes it tougher. And talking about country wise, I would not specifically mention whether it is tough or not, it shall be upon you, but there are certain differences. Like in India, we generally get a 1 day gap as per the examinations, but in Nepal we don't. This is the only difference. Otherwise, quantity wise, it is almost the same, or maybe somehow more or less in other countries. So yes, this shall be enough for this topic. Next topic is why should we study in Nepal or why not? So reasons are very simple for this, that the major reason which you should consider is whether do you want to continue in Nepal after completing the CA course or not. That is, if you want to continue working in CA, working as a CA in Nepal, then why take the burden of studying in foreign and coming back to Nepal and giving certain exam which it requires, like law, tax, varying as per the country. But if you have any intentions of going foreign country in future to work as a CA or in any way related to CA, then you can obviously consider the option of foreign countries. That is, you can study in foreign countries, work there, or go to another foreign countries, give the examination required by them, but some country may not validate our CA certificate, generally USA. So it shall be depending, and we shall discuss about it in the upcoming videos. So yes, There are positive sides and negative sides of studying in Nepal. The major positive side is if you want to study and work in Nepal, going abroad and studying shall be an addition of burden to ourselves. But if we wish to work in foreign, then we can consider the option of studying CA in foreign. Now, the last topic shall be why CA? What shall you do after being a CA? It is the important one, but basically a known one. So, the major topic that CA deals with is auditing. Basically, it is a course designed for auditing. And what actually is auditing? Literally, auditing is basically an independent examination of an entity or a proprietorship business, determining whether the financial statement presented by them are true and fair. That is basically providing an opinion on the true and fair view of their financial statements. There are other various ways of auditing too, like management auditing, financial statement auditing, due diligence auditing. There are various other sorts of auditing which you may find in other social blades and websites. And now moving on to second important work of a CA. So second important work is he or she himself preparing the financial statement, financial records, which is later on required to be audited. The other shall be providing consultancy advices. So it is a growing profession option by CA past students or CA past professionals. It generally includes providing consultation about or advices about the finance related topics of a company, helping them in taxation, providing better knowledge about the amount of tax they should pay, the steps they should take to reduce tax, and other topics which are concerned to finance, like better capital budgeting, better implementing the capital budgeting decisions, their capital structure, analysis of profit and loss, etc. Other professions include, which are generally flourishing these days, are acting as a teacher. Teaching is also a flourishing career option these days by the CA professionals. So yes, I don't think teaching is needed to be described. It shall basically be concerned to the content required to pass CA. And other professions, there are various other professions, like almost all the professions which are related to management field can be taken over by CA except some exceptions. CA past professionals can also choose to work as a manager, officers of various entities, also a banker, and most importantly can reach to the level of CEO of the entities. We do hear the names of various CA appointed as CEO of various companies these days. So yes, these are the various career options that are available for CA, and obviously these are not the all. There are other various options available, mainly related to the field of accounting or management.